I shall take the liberty of invoking Dattatreyaji's name because his Yoga Shastra, Dattatreya Yoga Shastra, is the foundational text with which I began my own quest. And there is a shloka in that which has become a mission statement of sort of mine. I have had the great privilege of traveling around more than 140 countries. Wherever I have gone, that verse from the Dattatreya Yoga Shastra has been an inspirational motive force. And that is Kriya Yuktasya Siddhi. Akriye katham bhavet. So by action alone are deeds done and achievements done. So this image of India being a passive or a meditative or a quietist culture is not correct here. Our sages, as Maharaji has so beautifully told us, have guided us in the right way, right from the Bhagavad Gita itself or even earlier as we were told. So without any further ado, may I request Jain Kamalji to introduce the distinguished chief guest, Dattatreya Uzmeleji, please. Oh, okay. So I stand corrected as usual. Stet and correction is one of the hallmarks of journalism. मुकुटमणि है हमारे जैन कमल जी और मैं टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में थोड़ी सी मेरी गुस्ताखी होती है तो ही टॉक्ड अबाउट नॉट गोइंग टू द शाखा आई डिड द रिवर्स आई ब्रॉट द शाखा टू द एडिट पेज yes I am supposed to be a spiritual atheist or a person who doesn't have these sort of thoughts. And I used to be wearing Countess Mara ties and things like that and was considered to be completely agnostic. Mataji, Hindu Jainji, wanted to have a samanvay of spirituality and science and politics and culture and everything, and she had made a very mild request. Of course, it was given to the Maharathis of editorial, out of which I was supposed to be not an Athirathi or something, a foot soldier. So I thought it was not my domain. But it was getting delayed, and one day Mr. Samir Jain came to our edit meeting. Dilip Padgaonkar was sitting in the chair, and he says, "Mummy ji ne bola tha, uska kya ho gaya?" Believe me, I went back to my Udupi training in the Bhagavad Gita because my grandfather's estate was very next to the Udupi Krishna temple. And I had acquired as if by osmosis all the gyan that is there. So I said, when do you want it? He says, when can you do it? I said, let's start it tomorrow. And what did we start? Urdhva Moola Adhashaka. Shaka. Ashwasta Prahuravayam. Chandansi Yasya Parnani. The inverted knowledge tree, the world tree. जिसके शाखाओं में हम बालक सब, शिशु सब खेलते हैं. So you may be a Sufi, you may be a Charvak, you may be a Roman Catholic or whoever. The beauty of India, as we keep on talking about, is the diversity. And it is this diversity that we invoked at Raj Bhavan in 2008, when the governor that time of Assam, Valmiki Prasad Singh ji, had written a book called Bahuda. After 2000 का जो 9/11 का हादसा हुआ, so people asked in America, he was with World Bank, what is India's response? And he says, Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. That was the Bahuda. And I must also say that with